So hi everyone and welcome back to my channel guys. In this video I'm talking about the how to fix PayPal negative balance. You can see I have already got negative balance from the PayPal account due to unable to withdraw to my bank account. The transaction was failed. You can see clearly 295 INR. Exactly, you can see the 96 INR withdraw not be successful. That's why I got the amount reserved gas. You have to contact the PayPal. You have to log in your PayPal account, then choose the app center or help or contact us. Then you have to choose the these options. You can see you can also find why PayPal shows negative balance, how you can solve this gas. Okay, you can see you can also read the description here everything, but don't pay the negative balance. You have to wait 1 or 2 days or few hours, then go to PayPal helpline center, then contact the PayPal team guys. So you can see I just contact the PayPal, then my problem has been successfully done. You can see I could see the negative balance due to withdrawal failure. You can see the withdrawal failure, that's why I got the negative balance. So keep in mind that if your bank withdraw failed from PayPal to your bank, then you will get negative balance. So keep in mind that you have to ask the or contact PayPal. This is the best way to prevent negative balance, or you can solve the issue. If you directly pay the negative balance amount, you will lose the money guys. Okay, you can also read the description. And one more thing, this is a pre-recorded video, so I'm attaching my audio. So I mean, audio and video does not work properly. I mean, the synchronization it does not work properly. So if you have any questions about the PayPal negative balance, contact me on the comment section guys, or you can find PayPal community online. You can solve your issue on there guys. Okay, and that's it for today, and thank you for watching. I'm not going to lengthen this video guys. Okay, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, ask me.